So how do I complain to Lyft, right? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, we are going to be discussing on how we can complain about Lyft to Lyft. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you're a rider or a passenger and then you're having issues with the Lyft app, with Lyft or people or just some kind of riders or passengers, and then you want to complain to Lyft in general, right? Well, it is actually very simple to do that. All you have to do is just go ahead and then actually launch your browser, and then once you launch your browser, you just want to go to help.lyft.com. So what you want to do is navigate to help.lyft.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can go ahead and check that out respectively. Once you go to help.lyft.com, here it says how can you help you and so on. So if it's under any of these help topics, you can do that. But to contact Lyft directly, scroll down to the bottom, and then here you will find the option called contact us. Just tap on it. Once you tap on contact us, it will ask you to log into your Lyft account, right? So whether you're a rider or a passenger, just go ahead and log into your Lyft account. And then after you log into your Lyft account, what you actually want to do is, if you don't have an account, then of course you can select I don't have an account, but it'll still give you the information as to what you want to do. So whether you're a rider or driver or an applicant or none of the above, let's say you're a rider and you want to complain about the driver, then of course you can just select that, and you can select any of these options over here, such as fare, charges, fees, or whatever else actually you think the issue is. Or if you're a driver, you can select what the issue is actually over here, and then once you do that, you should be able to complain to Lyft in that way. And this is how you can go ahead and then complain to Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.